New day, new vocab. Hey everyone, let's practice N5 vocab lesson 16. Ready? Let's go. Norimasu, to ride. Get on. Densha ni norimasu. I get on the train. Orimasu, to get off. Densha o orimasu. I get off the train. Norikaimasu, to change. Densha o norikaimasu. I change trains. Abimasu, to take a shower. Shower o abiru koto wa mainichi no kenko routine ni taisetsu desu. Taking a shower is an important part of healthy daily routine. Iremasu, put in, insert. Kohi ni sato o iremasu. I add sugar to my coffee. Dashimasu, take out, hand in, send. Gomi o dashimasu. I take out the trash. Oroshimasu, withdraw. Okane o oroshimasu. I withdraw money. Oshimasu, push, press. Minasan, channel登録のボタンを押してください. Please press the subscribe button. Hajimemasu, to start, begin. Nihongo no benkyou o hajimemashou. Let's start studying Japanese. Kengaku shimasu, to visit for study. Daigaku o kengaku shimasu. I visit the university for a tour. Denma shimasu, to make a phone call. Tomodachi ni denwa shimasu. I will call my friend. Wakai, young. Wakai hito ga oii desu ne. There are many young people, right? Nagai, long. Nihongo no benkyou wa nagai kedo issho ni gambaro. Learning Japanese is a long road, but let's do it together. Mijikai, short. Mijikai douga suki desu ka? Do you like short videos? Akarui, bright. あなたの部屋は明るいですか? Is your room bright? 暗い dark. 暗いと何も見えません. When it's dark, you can't see anything. 体 body, health. 体が元気だとにっこりできるね. When your body feels good, you can smile. 頭 head, brain. 今日も頭頑張ったね. Your brain worked hard today too. 髪 hair. 髪長い短いコメントで教えてね. Is your hair long or short? Tell me in the comments. 顔 face. 今日の顔ニコニコしてるね. Your face looks so smiley today. 目 eye. 今日の目キラキラしてるね. Your eyes look sparkly today. 耳 ear. 耳でよく聞いてね. Listen carefully with your ears. 鼻 nose. 今日の花の匂い鼻でわかった? Did your nose notice today's flower scent? 口 mouth. 日本語口で言うともっと覚えやすいよ. When you say Japanese out loud, it's easier to remember. 歯 tooth. カンディを食べた後、歯を磨こうね. After eating candy, let's brush our teeth. Onaka, stomach. Onaka ga suittara chotto yasumimashou. If you are hungry, let's take a small break. Ashi, foot, leg. Minasan, kyou wa dorekurai ashi o tsukaimashita ka? Everyone, how much did you use your legs today? Say height. Sei o nobasu to shigoto ni shouchou shi yasuku narimasu. Straightening your back makes it easier to focus on work. Tsugi ni, next. Tsugi ni renshu ni hairimasu. Next, we will move into practice. Anshubango, pin or security code. ATM で暗証番号が必要です。You need your PIN number at the ATM. Kingaku, amount of money. Anata no ichiban oi shiharai kingaku wa ikura desu ka? What is the largest amount you have ever paid? Kakunin shimasu, confirm. このビデオのポイントを確認しましたか? Did you check or confirm the key points of this video? お寺 temple. あなたはお寺に行ったことがありますか? Have you ever been to Buddhist temple? Hey, are you new here? Subscribe the channel so you don't miss more simple and useful Japanese lessons from Yuki Blooming. Thanks for watching. Mata ne!